Okay, so we're here, and you're probably thinking like this. So basically,
I see you in the city. Are you with me, baby? Damn. Rock solid, bitch, I'm built different. Hey.
I notice whenever I have my makeup on, like it just looks really like cakey. And normally I put rosehip oil and it like fixes it, but lately it just hasn't been doing. Like, it just doesn't look that great. So I was like, you know what? Like sometimes I have like a little like peach fuzz or something, and I was just like, I need to take it off, and I did, and oh my god, let me just tell you, this shit makes a difference. Like it's incredible that what it does to your face. Like when you take photos and you zoom into your face, like your face just looks like perfect. Like you can even have like a little pimple, and like just because of peach fuzz or like even if it's like real hair, like maybe like over here or over here, like it just looks like beautiful. Like it's just like a clear canvas for your makeup, and it's just incredible. So I'd recommend using this Nair face cream. I have sensitive skin, but like my face is a little red, but just make sure to moisturize and you'll be fine. I don't feel like using this. I'll use like a shaver, like the ones for your legs, but you have to be very careful with those. Like it has to be like a really good one, like soft and everything. And that one you have to keep it like away from like other stuff. Like make sure it doesn't get like moisture in it, and you have to use that shaver for only your face. Like you can't go from legs to like anywhere else on your body. Like it has to be for your face for sanitary reasons. So this one I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you how to do it. You already know how to do it, but it's gonna give you like a little tutorial, because like
a beauty or something, I don't know.
it says do not exceed 10 minutes. I like to go like the full 10 minutes to make sure that all the hair comes out. If your face is feeling a little irritated, you might want to take it off a little bit sooner, but my face, it does get irritated fast, and I still put it anyways for the full 10 minutes because I want like the best results, because I want it to stay as long as possible. If you keep doing this, your hair is going to grow back faster and faster, so you might have to do it a lot more often. If you want to use this just for like special occasions, I would recommend shaving, but remember to keep it sanitary. Like, you don't want to go too close, because sometimes the face cream will like go down. You're going to be left bald, and that is not a look. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. You can use paper. It really doesn't matter as long as it gets on there. If you're gonna use your hands, maybe just clean your hands, sanitary. Your face is really sensitive to anything. By the way, this stinks like fucking Badusi. If you don't know what Badusi is, educate yourself, sisters. Educate yourself. Okay, I'm just gonna put like a generous amount. And we're just gonna start applying. Okay, cream onto fingertips. This is fingertips, but I'm not gonna use my fingertips. Spread a thick, even layer to cover hair. Do not rub in. Wash your hands immediately after using, but we're not using our hands, but okay. We're just gonna, that was fucking pimple right there and it burned. Okay, remember a thick amount. I don't know why I'd be running out of this shit. Oh my god. I think it was like $6, $7, I don't even know. But for the like looks of like how your face ends up being, like, I'm gonna say worth it. I normally put a little bit extra like underneath right here and right here, because this part, for some reason, for me personally, the hair does not come out that well. And then I just like looking at my makeup the next day. Like I have to go in with a little tiny razor, like that don't need water. You just kind of, they're like in the makeup section. And I just go in a little bit more. And also right here, and like the parts where you put your highlight on, I've noticed that when I put my makeup on, a lot of the times my highlight like disappears, or like my foundation looks funny when I put like liquid highlight on there, and sometimes like it doesn't blend correctly. And I noticed when I shave that part, it doesn't do that as much, or in fact sometimes it doesn't even do it at all. And then the key tip, bro, put it on your nose. Like, whoa, it works miracles. Like, it takes out your blackheads too, or like whiteheads or whatever, and it just makes your nose so soft. It feels like you just put a charcoal mask on. Yes, Humpty. I'm gonna look like a new woman by tomorrow. Like, rolling loud, like, what's that? right here. Nope. That looks good, right? See what I'm talking about? It goes too close to the freaking eyebrow here, and it's just like, ooh. But actually, that's what makes me. You're making me dizzy. Oh my god, I'm gonna go balls. I'm gonna go balls, bro.
Me mato.
I wouldn't even know what to do. Like, I can't even order like eyebrow extensions. Cause bitch, they wouldn't arrive in like less than a day. Okay. All I have right here. What, bitch, is that in my fucking hair? Oh my god. Oh my fucking gosh. Are you fucking This is why I can't record and do shit, because I can't do, oh my, you know what? I don't even know what to take it, oh my god. Oh my fucking, are you, ugh. Bitch, if I'm bald by tomorrow, I'm coming for Nair's company. Oh my god. I hope it doesn't take all my hair, because I'm gonna cry. It's not that I'm slow today, is that I'm freaking blind and I can't see. So that's why, and you're like, oh my god, bitch, stop blaming it on the fact that you can't see. Like, bitch, my shit look good, so don't worry about me. Cause any other day, this shit looking fire. I think I'm done. How do I look? So now we're gonna wait 10 minutes. Probably gonna put like 7 because this shit's been on my face for a couple minutes. Once you take it off with a warm towel, with a warm wet towel, you're gonna go ahead and clean your face like you would normally do. And you're just gonna clean, I normally use Cetaphil because it's very like gentle on the skin. And then I go in with moisturizer. You want to make sure to moisturize your face right after because this dries it out a lot. So as long as you moisturize it and you keep care of it, don't put makeup on it right away, you should be good and your face like should be fine. I have really sensitive skin, so coming for someone that has sensitive skin, you'll be fine. Make sure to not use a chemical or like a fragrancy type of face wash because that will irritate your skin even more, and this on your face is already irritating, so you don't want to put on top of that. It might be a little red. You'll be fine by tomorrow. Your face is going to stink for a while, so I would recommend don't do it before you're going somewhere because you're just going to smell it, and if like someone's kissing up on you, like you're going to smell like straight up Nair. So would highly recommend not doing it next to an event. So I went ahead and I just took it all off and I just applied lotion. I used my Cetaphil. But thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Like this video because I stay coming with the tips. Make sure to like, to subscribe if you learned anything from this video, or if you want to see anything more, comment down below.